Alright, so today we're going to be doing a review of probably the most expensive piece of rolling stock I've ever touched. This is the review of the Centerline Products Brass Track Cleaning Car. MSRP on both HO and N scale ones is $89.99. Alright, so we're only going to be unboxing the N scale one because I've had the HO scale one for about 2 years and I don't have the box anymore. So this is the track cleaning pads. You can get replacements for these for like $2. Here's the car itself. It's very well protected in this box. You got to pop that out so that you could put the roller in. And that actually holds the roller pretty securely. And here you can see the roller, which is really, really small. So let's weigh these things. The N scale one weighs not very much, not even 1 ounce. Alright, so let's take a look at the HO scale one and N scale one very close. They actually use the same exact screws to hold on the trucks, so those are interchangeable. The only modification that I made to the HO scale one was I put metal wheels in place of the plastic ones and then dremeled off the coupler box so that it would work a little bit better. The N scale one looks basically exactly the same, so there's no real big differences between the two of them. I definitely like this track cleaning car. While it might not be the best track cleaning car on planet Earth, I definitely do like it, and if you can't afford it, then I definitely suggest getting it. I finished off this video with running the HO scale track cleaning car with nothing on the roller for 10 minutes straight. As you can see on the roller, this thing actually did a pretty good job picking up most of the dirt on the tracks. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next video, and be sure to subscribe.